In this video, let's take a look at functional component. So, functional component are like as JavaScript function. In the functional component, we receive props, that means properties, and it return the HTML, which describe the user interface. So, in the functional component, we receive a props. That means the props is used to transfer the data from one component to another component. So, to describe functional component, there are two ways of creating functional component. Let's make two functional component in two ways. So, the first way is, let's make one new file, main.jsx. So, to make functional component, we always import the React in first line. So, import React from React. Then the first way of creating function component is write function keyword, then name of the function, that is main. Then we return the HTML, which describe the user interface. So return, let's make one div. Inside div, let's make h1 tag. So hello from functional component. And in the last, we export the functional component. Export default main. So to render this in the browser, we should import this on the main component, that is app component. So let's go to app component and render it. Then and main. So in this way, we import the main component. If you are not using the auto import extension, you should install it. So then to run the project, go to terminal and type npm start. Then this is the first way of creating functional component. The second way of creating functional component is, so let's make one new file, name it second. Then in this component, we also import the React. So to import React, type import React from React. Then another way of creating functional component is write direct export const name of the function, that is second, equals to use arrow function. Then inside this, we return HTML that describe the user interface. Inside return, make one div. Inside one div, let's h2 hello from second functional component. So to render this in the browser, we should import this on the main component. So import this second. So I use auto import, that's why it's automatically import the component. So let's have a look in the browser. So this is the second functional component. So in this way, we creating functional component very easily and efficiently.